Welcome everyone to the Soul Garden channel. Today, I want to share with you a completely natural organic fertilizer recipe that is both easy to make and delivers remarkable results for anthuriums and many other indoor plants. You can apply this recipe to most of your favorite plants, from anthuriums, lilies to phalaenopsis orchids, using simple ingredients, even those that seem like kitchen scraps. When applied consistently, your anthurium will grow healthy with glossy green leaves and, most importantly, bloom vibrantly again as a response to the love and care you've given it. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started. Today, I will use fresh aloe vera, a natural miracle plant that almost every garden has. Aloe vera is not only rich in vitamins, minerals, and natural enzymes that help plants thrive, but also has excellent antibacterial and leaf tissue repair properties. I chop the aloe vera leaves into small pieces to release all the nutrients inside. Aloe vera contains abundant vitamins A, C, E, along with valuable minerals like zinc, helping plants recover quickly, stay healthy, and grow sustainably. Moreover, aloe vera enhances resilience, promotes new root growth, and makes leaves sturdy and glossy against environmental stressors. Next, I prepare chamomile tea. This tea contains numerous natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, protecting the plant's root system from harmful bacteria, stimulating new root growth, and enhancing nutrient absorption. Chamomile has natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds that safeguard anthurium roots from harmful agents while promoting new roots and improving nutrient uptake. I will use 3 tea bags for optimal results. Then, I place all the ingredients into a clean glass jar. Add 500 milliliters of boiling water to extract the maximum nutrients. Seal tightly and let it steep for 3 hours to allow the components to fully blend. Once the mixture is ready, I strain out the residue, keeping the nutrient-rich liquid. Finally, I dilute it by adding 1.5 liters of clean room temperature water. Method 1. I will pour the aloe vera and chamomile tea extract into a dedicated watering can and water directly at the base of the plant. This method delivers natural nutrients and essential minerals to the root system, supporting easy and rapid absorption from below. For anthuriums, roots are the critical foundation for flower and leaf development. Aloe vera, rich in vitamins A, C, E, and minerals like zinc, calcium, and magnesium, stimulates new root growth, repairs weak roots, and enhances moisture retention. Combined with chamomile tea, which contains antioxidants and antibacterial compounds, this mixture nourishes roots while effectively preventing fungal diseases. Regular watering with this solution promotes robust root development, better nutrient absorption, leading to rapid shoot growth, vibrant blooms, and longer-lasting colors. Phalaenopsis orchids, though with more sensitive roots, also show clear recovery results when the solution is properly diluted, especially after a long blooming period or repotting. Be sure to water just enough, avoiding prolonged waterlogging, particularly for plants in highly moisture-retentive media like pine bark, moss, or sphagnum. After watering, place the pot in a well-ventilated area, avoiding harsh sunlight, to allow the water to slowly penetrate the roots without causing heat shock. You can repeat this watering method every 10 to 15 days, depending on the plant's health and needs. Method 2. I will pour the aloe vera and chamomile tea extract into a dedicated fine mist spray bottle. Then, I gently mist both sides of the plant's leaves, paying special attention to the undersides, an often overlooked area but an ideal hideout for mold and harmful insects. For Anthuriums, this method is particularly effective because their leaves are broad, glossy, and prone to dust accumulation. Aloe vera, rich in vitamins A, C, E, and minerals like calcium, zinc, and magnesium, boosts resilience, maintains natural moisture, and repairs damaged leaves. Combined with chamomile tea, which contains antioxidants and antibacterial compounds, this solution nourishes and protects leaves from fungal diseases. When misted regularly, Anthurium leaves become darker green, glossier, and the plant blooms consistently with lasting colors. For Phalaenopsis orchids, mist lightly, avoiding water pooling in leaf crevices or at the crown to prevent rot. This method keeps orchid leaves plump, reduces leaf scorching, and supports rapid recovery after blooming. For lilies, misting with this mixture reduces plant stress, keeping leaves fresh and soft, especially during recovery after repotting or flowering. You can apply this misting method 1 to 2 times a week, in the early morning or late afternoon. Consistent application will help the plant stay healthy, resist diseases, and bloom on schedule without the need for strong chemical fertilizers. Method 3. I use a soft cloth or clean cotton wool, lightly dampened with the nutrient solution, and wipe each leaf, carefully cleaning both the upper and lower surfaces to remove all dust and help the plant absorb nutrients better. I will use the aloe vera and chamomile tea extract to wipe the leaves of the plant, especially for Anthuriums, which greatly need leaf care to stay healthy and bloom vibrantly. Anthuriums are a highly favored indoor plant due to the glossy, lush beauty of their leaves and their long-lasting, vibrant red flowers. But if you let the leaves get covered in dust, fertilizer residue, or limescale, the plant can easily develop leaf rot, lose its aesthetic appeal, and gradually weaken. Wiping leaves with aloe vera and chamomile tea water is a natural method that not only cleans the leaf surface but also provides nutrients to keep the plant healthy and the leaves glossy and beautiful. Aloe vera contains abundant vitamins A, C, E, and minerals like zinc, enhancing resilience, stimulating root growth, and repairing damaged leaves. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Chamomile tea, rich in antibacterial compounds and antioxidants, helps prevent fungal diseases and keeps leaves fresh. As a result, after just a few wipes, you will notice Anthurium leaves becoming darker green, glossier, and noticeably thicker. Besides Anthuriums, you can also apply this method to Phalaenopsis orchids in lilies. Though they don't accumulate dust as often as Anthuriums, regular leaf wiping will help them absorb light better, enhance photosynthesis, and result in longer-lasting flowers and less wilted leaves. After wiping the leaves, place the plant in a cool, well-ventilated area with indirect light to let the leaves dry naturally. Avoid letting water pool in leaf crevices, as this can easily cause rot, especially in plants like Phalaenopsis orchids with deep leaf bases that are hard to drain. This is a simple yet effective plant care method that you can maintain 2 to 3 times a month, keeping your indoor plants lush and naturally beautiful. Results after 2 months. After 3 to 4 months of consistent application, the Anthurium pots in the garden show remarkable changes that will leave anyone in awe. The root system develops strongly, with white, plump roots firmly anchoring to the growing medium, enabling the plant to absorb nutrients and water more effectively than ever. Leaves are dark green, thick, and glossy like they've been coated with a natural wax, with no signs of discoloration or scorching. Flowers bloom evenly with vibrant red colors, thick and glossy petals, and long-lasting hues for weeks. Notably, the number of flowers increases significantly, with new buds appearing almost every month, creating a year-round, vibrant display. The Anthurium's resilience improves noticeably, with fewer pests and diseases and rapid recovery even after repotting or adverse weather conditions. With consistent care, the garden not only becomes more beautiful in appearance, but also healthier from within, bringing a fresh and lively feeling every time you look at it. If you find this recipe helpful, don't forget to hit like on the video, subscribe to the Soul Garden channel, and share it with friends to spread the word about natural, safe, and sustainable plant care methods. Thank you for joining me, and see you in the next videos.